Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Barone. I thought we could have some fun today with magic. So I'm going to teach you a magic trick using a deck of cards. So in this trick, the magician is going to ask a volunteer to choose a card and keep the card secret from the magician. And then they're going to ask them what row the card is 3 times and then reveal the card to the volunteer. You will need 21 different cards to do this trick. I have mine already set up over here in 3 rows of 7. To demonstrate, I'm going to pick a card. So let's do that. We're going to pick the 3 of spades. I'm going to put a paper clip on our card so to help us remember as I demonstrate. You wouldn't do that, but this is just for demonstration purposes. Now the magician would ask the volunteer to tell them what row the card is in. So in this case, our card is in row 2. We're going to start picking up our cards from top to bottom, placing the top card, every card underneath the top one. And we're going to always pick up this row that the card is in second. So let me demonstrate. So we're going to start here. We're going to start with this row today. We're going to pick this card up and put all the other cards underneath like that. That's our first row. And then we're going to pick up the row that the card is in, this one, second. So we're going to keep putting the cards underneath just like that. And then we'll pick up our last row. There we go. Putting them underneath. Then we're going to lay our cards out again, just like we did before, in 3 rows of 7. And then we will ask our volunteer to again tell us what row the card is in. This time it's in the first row. We're going to repeat that process for the second time. So we're going to pick up, let's start with this row. We're going to pick this one up and place it underneath. You can choose either one of the other 2 rows to start with. That doesn't matter, but you always have to pick the row that the card is in second. So here we go. This row that the card is in, and then we're going to pick up our last row, always placing the cards in order underneath. And then we're going to lay them out again in 3 rows of 7. Then we're going to ask our volunteer for the 3rd time which row the card is in. Here it is in row 3. So let's start with this row. We're going to repeat the process, placing the cards underneath. For the last time, we're going to pick them up. Second, right? We have to always do this one second. So we're going to do that one next because that's the row that our card is in. Placing them underneath. And then we will lay our cards out again, just like we did the other times. 3 across. And 7 down. And when we get to the end, we're going to ask our volunteer what row our card is in. And they're going to say row 2. And then we're going to count down 4 rows from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. And abracadabra, there's their card. Their card will always be the 4th from the top in the row that they pick. Pretty cool, right? So go ahead and give this magic trick a try, and then maybe read about magic from Hoopla or Libby Overdrive. You could read Magic Misfits by Neil Patrick Harris, or you could listen to the audiobook Upside Down Magic by Sarah Milanowski. If you happen to do this trick for a younger member of your family, you could read them the book Rabbit Magic by Meg McLaren. You could also read Who Was Houdini, which is a true book about a very famous magician. And there are plenty of books in our digital collection that have magic tricks in it. So you could hone your magic skills all week long. So I hope you have some fun with magic this week, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all again real soon. Bye.